Langfuse and Arize Phoenix both help you monitor and evaluate LLM apps, but their focus and target audience are very different. Langfuse is built specifically for LLM observability, tracing prompts, responses, latency, token usage, and custom events across your app. Arize Phoenix comes from the ML observability world. It's a research-focused toolkit for evaluating embedding spaces, model drift, and vector-based workflows. Langfuse is ideal for tracking prompt chains, agent reasoning, retries, and structured evals. You can see traces, log metadata, and analyze runs in detail. Phoenix is built for RAG and retrieval-heavy apps. It helps you inspect vector recall, spot semantic drift, and debug embedding performance over time. Langfuse supports human and LLM-based evaluation. You can compare runs, rate outputs, and tie feedback to production traces. Phoenix focuses on embedding quality, visualizing clusters, analyzing misfires, and even diagnosing hallucinations from a retrieval perspective. Langfuse is framework agnostic. It works with LangChain, Llama Index, or raw APIs, and it's open source, self-hostable. Phoenix is Python native, meant for Jupyter-style workflows. It's great for experimentation, but less plug-and-play for live product tracing. So choose Langfuse if you're already shipping LLM apps and want full-stack observability tied to user sessions, prompts, and retries. And go with Arize if you're debugging RAG pipelines for exploring embedding behavior in depth, especially pre-deployment. Different tools for different layers. Thanks for watching.